Every trading course on the internet costs $497 and teaches you nothing. Every candlestick YouTube tutorial is 20 minutes of ads. Every trading app is either a broker trying to get you to gamble or a paid subscription pushing signals. I got tired of it, so I built the app I wish had existed 15 years ago. It's called Learn to Trade. It's free, and it's live on the App Store today. Here's the problem with trading education. If you Google how to read a candlestick chart, you get one of three things: a YouTube video that spends 5 minutes on ads before showing you what a hammer is, a blog post that copies its content from a 20-year-old book, or a course, always a course, $997, lifetime access, bonus modules, testimonials from people who don't actually trade. It's a scam economy. But here's what nobody tells you. Reading charts is a real skill. Every professional trader I know does it every day. It's not the only skill you need, but it's a foundation, and you can't learn it from a YouTube video. You learn it the way you learn a language, one card at a time, thousands of reps, which is exactly what nobody's building. So I built Learn to Trade. Think Duolingo, but for reading charts. 15 chapters, 51 lessons, 33 candlestick patterns, 53 handcrafted trade decision scenarios, pattern drills, trade execution drills, a daily challenge. It runs on your iPhone. It's free. It's genuinely free. Not free with ads. Not free until you hit the paywall. Free. One thing this app is not. It's not a signal service. It doesn't tell you what to buy. It doesn't connect to your broker. It doesn't stream live market data. Every chart in the app is a teaching scenario. You look at the setup, you make the call, buy, sell, or wait, and then you watch the future play out to see if you were right. It's education, not advice. Let me show you what's inside. Chapter 1 starts with the anatomy of a candle. What the body means, what the wicks mean, why green versus red matters. You work through single candle patterns like the doji, hammer, shooting star, then multi-candle patterns like the engulfing pattern and morning star. Then you keep going. Volume profile, order flow, implied volatility, options strategies, position sizing, 51 lessons total. Every one of the 33 patterns is in a searchable dictionary with reliability ratings from classical technical analysis. Bullish reversal patterns marked green, bearish patterns marked red. Programmatic candlestick illustrations for everyone so you can see exactly what shape you're looking for. The core feature is trade decisions. 53 handcrafted chart scenarios across stocks, futures, and crypto. A chart appears on your screen. You have to make the call, buy, sell, or wait. Then the app plays out the future bars at 1x, 5x, or 10x speed so you see what actually happened. Right or wrong, every time. That's how you actually learn to read the market. Not from a lecture, from reps. And it doesn't stop at buy or sell. After you make the call, trade execution drills walk you through where the entry goes, where the stop goes, where the target goes. Because knowing you're bullish is the easy part. Knowing where to put your stop is what separates traders who last from traders who don't. There's a daily challenge, a study streak, spaced repetition flashcards for pattern memory, pattern mastery tracking so you can see which patterns you know cold and which ones you keep missing. It's designed to be a 10-minute-a-day habit, not a course you finish once and forget. One more thing. All your progress stays on your device. No account required, no email, no analytics, no tracking, no data sold to anyone. The App Store privacy label literally reads, "Data not collected." Try to find another free trading app that can say that. So here's where things stand. Learn to Trade version 1.0 is live on the App Store today. iPhone only for launch. Android is coming. There is no paid tier. Version 1.1 will add a pro upgrade for advanced content, but everything you see in version 1.0 stays free forever. That's a promise, not a marketing hook. What's coming next? A pattern hub that connects every pattern to its lesson, its drill, and where to find it on real charts. A career mode with a simulated $10,000 account that tracks your real trading accuracy across scenarios. Multi-decision walk-forwards where you make 3 or 4 decisions as a chart develops instead of one. This is version 1.0. Version 2 is going to be a lot bigger. Search the App Store for Learn to Trade, or scan the QR code on screen, or use the link in the description. It's free. It works offline. It doesn't want anything from you except your time. Give it 10 minutes a day for a week and tell me what you think. Real feedback goes to the email in the app's About section. If you're new to the channel, this is Backtest Everything. I test trading strategies with real historical data so you don't have to lose money learning what doesn't work. Subscribe for weekly backtests. Comment which pattern or strategy you want me to test next. Data doesn't lie. And now, neither does the app that teaches you to read it. Free trading app $497. Course reading charts. A real skill. The Duolingo of trading, not signals education. 51 lessons, 15. Chapters 30. Patterns 10. Mun, day streak, XP, mastery. Data not collected, no account required live now. iPhone, Android, coming, search. Learn trade, data doesn't lie. Learn Trade, I built a free trading app. Every trading course is a scam, so I built a free app that teaches candlestick charts in 51 lessons. Search Learn to Trade on the App Store. The trading app with no ads. Show me another trading app that says, data not collected, Learn to Trade. Free. No ads, no email. All progress on your device. Free on the App Store. Duolingo for trading. What if Duolingo taught trading instead of Spanish? Search Learn to Trade release. This version.